Good afternoon, bantwana bamakhosi. Kunalento esiyenzayo, it's very common. It's a critical thing that we do when we are about to make a big purchase, whether imoto, whether indlu, or you are about to start a new job, or you are about to go into a school, whether university, or whether you're deciding what career path to take, what choice to make, what course to do. We do a background check or we do research kuleyo nto isisuke sizothatha decision yokuyenza noma yokuyithatha. Do yourself this favor. Uma ngaba you are awakening to izinto zomoya noma ubhekane nendlela yokuthi uyothwasa noma uyephehlweni noma uthathe umsebenzi wabantu abadala ukuba umelaphi. Do this for yourself. It's on you. It's your responsibility. Do a background check on yourself. Do this research on you, on yourself. Bheka ukuthi imbeleko yenziwe ekhaya, ubikiwe ekhaya, uzalwe kanjani, wazalwa umbethe noma umbethwe, wenziwani. If that is the case, bheka ukuthi usesibongweni esi-right na, uzalwe uyingane kamalume. Uma ngaba usesibongweni sakubaba wakho, umshado between your parents uphelele na ngokwesintu. Bheka ukuthi, because those things, especially that one, izokusiza ukubona ukuthi akunambango na phezu kwakho. Bheka ukuthi awuthiwanga, awarelwa ka somebody, hayiba noreletswe, hwethiwa nkolona ngokosiko lwakini. Banye bathi liyathengwa igama, kodwa I know one thing I'm sure of, liyahlanjululwa. Ureletse igama ngithiyele ngubani noma and lelo gama lihlanjululiwe noma lelo gama liceliwe ngokuya ngosiko lwakini. Kubikwa kanjani kini? Kwenziwa kanjani imbeleko kini? Kwenziwani ngomntwana ombethwe uze ngengubo noma uze with the umbilical cord around their neck? Kwenziwani kini? Usesibongweni esi-right na? And bheka ukuthi rite of passages going forward. Uma ngaba kuyathonjwa kini uthombile na? Mangaba kwiwa libulong uyile na libulong? Mangaba kwenza umhlonyana wawenzelwa, umemulo wawenzelwa na? Makuwe entabeni waya na entabeni? Go and understand what is the importance of those rituals to isizwe sakini, to abantu bakini. Bheka ukuthi isimo somsamo ekhaya si-right na? Ukhona umsamo, uhlambulukile umsamo, bakhona abantu abadala bafakwe kanjani, basesimweni esikahle na? Bheka ekhaya ukuthi makushoniwe kuyagezwa, umuntu ongahambi namathunzi nawo abantu abasebadlula. Bheka ukuthi akunayo an uncleansed miscarriage or an uncleansed abortion. Do all those things because ama-rituals ground us and ama-rituals ayasiqinisa for each and every phase yempilo zethu ekumele singene kuyo. Sometimes izinto fall apart, not necessarily because ufanele uthwase noma uthathe umsebenzi wokuba umelaphi, but uthola ukuthi ukhalela usiko, usuvukwa ingulu nje kanti wena ukhalela amasiko, lezi zinto ezingazange zenziwe kanti wena uhamba uthwele ubunyama ngoba ekhaya agezwa. So do that background check on yourself. It's your responsibility. Ungathi noma you are so confused ngoba sometimes lo moya uthi mawuvuka uphakama ufane ngesinye isikhathi njengomuntu okhalela mhlawumbe intwaso, kanti izinto nje ezingazange zilungiswe. Uthi izinto zakho azihlangane ahuluke ngathi uthakathiwe, kanti no, yilezi zinto zikhalela, yilesa sibongo esirong, yilabantu abadala bangaphandle, yilezi inhlambuluko ezingazange zenziwe, yilezi zinto wena your own self cleansing zongazange uzenze. Nethonga liyagezwa, amadlozi ayagezwa, abantu abadala bayahlanjululwa, ikhwama kulaba bayothatha ubungoma ziyahlanjululwa. Do that background check. Mangaba kamampela ufanele uthwase, you have done your check and ubhekile uyazi ukuthi lezi zinto lezi zenziwe. It's not limited to what I've mentioned. It's those that I know. Hamba kini kwabakini uthola izinto kini ezazenziwe. And if ekhaya ababelieve or akusiza into abazenzayo, that's where then you can find mhlawumbe umelaphi or a traditionalist to give you advice. But remember, kune-jurisdiction lapho, they don't go beyond a certain boundary. Like for an example, akwazi ukuthi isimlapho endabuka ngayophahla emsamo wakini. There are certain things, there are certain boundaries naseyintweni zesintu naseyintweni zomoya. But do yourself that favor, uma ngaba uyabuya enkolweni yesintu and you want to understand, you want to see if izinto zakho they are aligned, you are aligned. Those are some of the things that you go and check. Uma ngabe uyothwasa, those are the things that you go and check wena yourself first. Seek help where you need guidance and do the cleansings, the necessary things that you need to cleanse, so that uma ungenela lokho ukuthi ngidinga intwaso, ngidinga ukuphakamisa lokulaphi, ngidinga ukuphakamisa lokho engifuna ukuphakamisa, ungathi so phakathi uthola ukuthi sekuvumbuka into eziningi, uyabangwa isikhwama singcolile, this and that, or post phehlo usuyithola ungasazi ukuthi how le challenge yedlozi nobungoma bami noma nobulaphi bami noma le challenge eyesiko na eyezinto zasekhaya na, ngoba singazange senze the checks before we embark on these journeys. Makhosi.